ready for bed. I'm so tired. I could probably lie down and go to sleep. I'm going to make, it's very complicated. I'm doing a fire. I'm going to cook some fresh haddock directly on some lumpwood charcoal, and I'm going to make a homemade spaghetti sauce, and I'm going to try boiling spaghetti in my jetboil. I hope it works, because I didn't bring a backup. I'm off to try and find my hidden table, which is this little black tankard thing that I found like a year ago. And every time I've camped in this vicinity, which has been a lot, I've used it as a table or as a seat, and then I've hidden it back in the undergrowth. It's still there. Oh, this prickly bush has grown a lot. Yay, I've got it. I've got a variety of fire lighter things. I've got a tube here, which is from like cling film or something. And I've got all this lint that was saved up from my tumble dryer. I'm going to put some smaller bits of lumpwood on to start with. How much garlic is too much garlic? I've been putting quite a lot of garlic in the things I've been cooking, and I was fully expecting to get comments like, "That's a disgusting amount of garlic, how can you eat so much garlic?" But not a single person has said that. Oh, the only thing people have said is put more garlic in. I've got 2 mushrooms, but I think that's going to be enough. The spaghetti is boiling, the sauce is delicious, the fish I think is ready. That was a bit quicker than I expected. Spaghetti is going nuts in the jetboil. Right, I need to get this fish off the fire. I'm impressed with myself that I've managed to cook a sauce, spaghetti and grill some fish at the same time. Just putting a little bit more water in it. Oh bollocks, it's gone off. Ah, I think the pasta should be ready. Oh, it's very chewy. Whoa! The fish, delicious. In the midst of this chaos, I bought this wine. I've no idea what it's like, but I just thought the bottle was very pretty. Get my wine glass, because this is a fancy meal. Right, now I need to reheat the sauce. I don't have a colander. I've got a spaghetti, I think I'm just going to lift the spaghetti out of here. Oh, this is a bit chaotic. Anyway, don't fall off into the sand. I'm actually very, very hungry. So let's see. I even thought about bringing a grater and a proper block of parmesan, but I thought, no, that's a step too far for me. So I'm going to have a ton of cheese on this. It's raining. Oh no. Ah, anyway, I wasn't in the best of moods about this, and I was thinking, oh, I can't be bothered coming, but as usual, I'm just so happy to be here. I've got some red wine, I've got some homemade pasta sauce, grilled haddock with it. It's nice and cozy. I'm very hungry, and this is a nice big dinner. Wow, I'm just so astonished. This actually tastes delicious. The haddock is definitely overcooked, but it still tastes very nice. I think this is the nicest pasta sauce I've ever cooked. Where's my assistant to come and clean up all the mess I've made?